first time na mag-a-apply ng trabaho or first time job seeker. Alam mo ba na karamihan sa mga pre-employment requirements na kailangan mong kunin ay maaari mo na makuha ng libre? Yes. Or yee! Yan ay dahil sa Republic Act 11261 o mas kilala bilang First Time Job Seeker Assistance Act. At yan ang ating pag-uusapan sa video 2 para mabilis nating maintindihan ang topic na ito. Sasagutin natin ang mga tanong na what o kung ano nga ba yung Republic Act 11261 o mas kilala bilang Time Job Seeker Act. At kung ano yung mga requirements para makapag-avail ka nito. Pangalawa, ang who, kung sino-sino ang mga pwedeng mag-avail ng benefits na ito. Ang pangatlo, ang where, kung saan mo siya pwedeng ma-avail at kung saan mo siya pwede gamitin. At ang pamuli ay ang how, kung paano ang proseso ng pag-avail o pagkuha ng First-Time Job Seeker Certificate. Umpisahan natin sa what. Ano nga ba yung Republic Act 11261 o mas kilala bilang First-Time Job Seeker Assistance Act? Alam mo ba na ang batas na ito ay naaprubahan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte last April 2019 pa. This law aims to promote full employment and equality of gainful work and opportunities for Filipino citizens by expanding accessibility to government services on the one hand and providing incentives to promote employment on the other. So in this pursuit, all government agencies and instrumentalities, including government-owned and government-controlled corporations, local government units or the LGUs and government hospitals shall not collect fees or charges from the first-time job seeker or kayong mga first-time na mag-a-apply ng trabaho. Ano naman yung mga requirements para makapag-avail ka ng first-time job seeker certificate? First, dapat ikaw ay isang Filipino citizen. Pangalawa, dapat ikaw ay isang first-time job seeker. Pangatlo, siyempre dapat ikaw ay actively looking for employment. At ang pang-apat, dapat residente ka ng barangay kung saan ka mag-request ng first-time job seeker certificate ng at least 6 months. At sino naman yung masasabi or matatawag na mga first-time job seeker according sa IIR or the Implementing Rules and Regulation ng First-Time Job Seeker Assistance Act. They further characterized a first-time job seeker as those first yung mga graduate ng lahat ng schools dito sa Pilipinas, colleges, universities, and learning institutions offering technical and vocational courses. For the purpose of this rule, a graduate a Filipino who finished associate degree or a bachelor's degree from any university or college or completed a technical vocational course from any learning institution in the Philippines, as well as the high school graduate who have completed the K-12 program. Pangalawa naman, an early school leaver or out-of-school youth. Pangatlo, a person not employed or engaged in education or training who was not previously enrolled in any educational institution or who has not finished his or her secondary education. Pang-apat, any student taking leave of absence from an institution offering college or tertiary education or from a technical or vocational course. Or ang panglima, any person intending to work while enrolled in any school, college, and university or learning institution. Or ito yung mga nagpa-part-time habang nag-aaral o mas kilala bilang mga working students. And where can you use or saan mo pwedeng gamitin your first-time job certificate specifically under Section 4 of the Republic Act number 11261. No fees and other charges shall be collected from first-time job seekers obtaining the following. So, dapat wala kang bayad or wala kang babayaran pag kinuha mo yung mamato. Kung ikaw ay isang first-time job seeker. Una ay ang Police Clearance Certificate. Pangalawa, ang National Bureau of Investigation Clearance or ang tinatawag na NBI Clearance. Pangatlo, ang Barangay Clearance. Pang-apat, Medical Certificate from a Public Hospital. Ang panlima naman ay ang pagkuha ng PSA Birth Certificate. So ito yung sa branch mismo kukunin. Kasi kung online ka kukuha ng birth certificate, syempre may bayad na yun. So kung sa PSA ka mismo, sa branch ng PSA ka kukuha, yun ay pwede mong magamit yung first-time job seeker certificate mo. Naman yung marriage certificate. So siguro ito yung mga taong nauna pang mapakasal kaysa mag-apply ng trabaho. Sumunod yung transcript of records issued by any state, colleges, or universities. Take note na state, colleges, and universities. Ibig sabihin mga government or public school na tinatawag. Number 8, yung tax identification number. Number 9, yung UMIN ID card. Pero take note guys na sa UMIN ID card, libre yung card mismo. Pero may requirements sa SSS na bago ka makapag-avail nun, kailangan munang magkaroon ng at least 1 month posted contribution as an employed paying member. So yung card itself is free. And other documentary requirements issued by the government that may be required by the employer from the job applicants. And for the last part of this video, ay kung paano naman kumuha o saan ka pwedeng mag-request ng first-time job seeker certificate. So gagawin mo, punta ka lamang sa barangay kung saan ka nakatira. Tapos magre-request ka lang ng first-time job seeker certificate. So syempre, kailangan mo ng patunay na ikaw ay residente ng barangay na yon. So baka hingan ka ng ID or proof na ikaw ay nakatira doon sa barangay na yon. So yung barangay, pagpunta mo doon, mag-i-issue sila ng barangay first-time job seeker certificate. At ito ay free of charge, wala kang babayaran. So, bibigyan ka nila ng copy at magkikip din sila ng original copy nila. Certification na yon, yung first-time job seeker certificate, ay dapat may tatak or dry seal ng barangay at syempre ng letterhead ng barangay. Ay, sana nauso to nung panahon ko para syempre kung first-time job seeker ka, syempre wala ka pang trabaho, wala ka pang pangtustos. Ngayon, at least meron ng ginawa yung gobyerno para makatulong sa atin na makuha natin ang libre yung mga kailangan sa pre-employment. Sana makahanap kayo ng trabaho na bagay sa inyo at magiging masaya kayo. Fighting! At para lahat tayo ay makatulong sa ating mga pamilya. At sa mga gastusin sa araw-araw, syempre, nakatulong sa inyo info, share nyo na lang din sa mga friends nyo at kakilala. Thank you!